Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to look at websites, themes as well as skins. In this very first video, we will learn about themes. So, a theme is a collection of files to define look and feel of the web application. So it's simply a collection of files. So that defines the look and feel for the entire web application. Frequently used theme files are style sheets. So people will call it as a CSS, cascading style sheet. Then a set of images and skin files. So all this stuff defines the theme for the web application. So the CSS files defines styles for individual HTML element. You can also use a set of images as well as icons for your theme. Then you can define a skin file which will apply style for the ASP controls. Later the ASP control will be rendered as HTML. So style sheet will apply style for the end result, that means HTML tags, but the skin will apply the properties to the ASP control itself, so that when the control renders, it knows what kind of style to apply. An ASP.NET web application can have one or more web themes organized inside the app theme folder. So there will be a folder called the app theme, and inside this app theme folder, an ASP.NET application can have one or more web themes, so that at runtime we can apply different theme to the web application. We can set a theme using the theme property or style sheet theme property. There are two properties. Using these properties, we can apply theme for the website or web page. When a theme is set by the style sheet theme property, it can be overridden by the individual element style. Say for example, you have a h1 tag, and for a h1 tag, let's state that you applied the style using the style attribute, right? So when a theme is set by the style sheet property, it can be overridden by the individual element. That means here we set a style equal to XYZ, and using the style sheet property, let's state you applied a style for the individual element, h1 element. The style is ABC. So this can be overridden by XYZ. But when a theme is set by theme property, the style rules applied on top of styles for individual element. That means here if we say we specified the theme as MNO, then the style sheet, the style whatever you applied to h1, that will be replaced by MNO. So here you can clearly see that in a page life cycle, style sheet theme is applied early stage, right, ABC, and hence what is set by it can be overridden by the individual element. But theme properties are applied in later stage, overriding all individual element style. So that means let's state that style sheet as 1 and style sheet, theme as 2, right? So first style is applied from 1, then individual element styles are applied. Finally, styles are applied from theme. So whatever you set using the style sheet theme is overridden by the individual element, and whatever you apply through individual element can be overridden by the theme property, or whatever style you set through theme property, that will override everything. So there is no demo in here. That's all about the style. Skin we will learn in a later stage. Thank you for watching. Bye.